It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, this is the end of one look and the beginning of another. Okay, so I just filmed my 2-week update with this hair. Excuse how I'm looking. It's been a long day at work. It's hot outside and I'm 7.5 months pregnant, so yes, that's why the face is looking tired and hot. Okay, but for the hair, okay, I had this in for 2 weeks and today we're taking it out. Okay, so I'm going to kind of show you quickly how to remove these if you have not removed your crochet before. What I like to do personally is just take my braids down. I find that is easier for me. I don't have to worry about cutting the wrong thing. Okay, but if you want to cut, what I recommend is doing a little bit at a time. Okay, so this is one braid and I would hold the hair so that I am only looking at the knots. Okay, so here you can see the knots. Okay, these are the knots, so you want to make sure that you're cutting those knots. Okay, depending on how long you leave your crochet in, your braid will probably, have some room. It'll, have a little bungee cord action going on. So when you cut, you don't want to just go in all willy-nilly and mean to cut the braid off your head. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, so we want to make sure that we are only cutting like here, snip, snip, snip. Cut on those knots. Okay, if you don't want to cut, I like to just start in the back with my little braids back here and just start taking my braids down. Okay, as you take the braids down, the hair, which is crocheted on or like interwoven into those braids, it's going to come out anyway as you take the braids out. Okay, so that's what I do. That's what I did the last couple of times that I took my crochet braids out, and I felt like that worked well for me. Instead of me trying to cut all the hair out and then I had to go back and take the braids out anyway, if I just start with taking the braids out, the hair gonna come out, right? So that's my go-to method. Okay, but let me know in the comments what y'all like. Okay, so here I'm just taking the braid down and those knots are gonna start coming right out. See, here's one that just came off of my hair. Now here's another one. Okay, so as I'm taking the braid out, that crochet hair is just coming right on up off of there. Okay, so I'm going to continue taking this out. Okay, and I'll come back when it's time to braid my hair again, I guess, for the next crochet style. Okay, so we can kind of look at the braiding pattern and all that kind of stuff. Ooh, the hair is out. Okay, So I'm about to go wash this, and of course I'll be using my Itz Sirap hair products. Okay, so I'm going to use that to wash it, condition it, and I'm going to blow dry it using like this round brush blow dryer. I was sent it was sent to me, what am I saying? It was sent to me by a company on Amazon. So I'm going to use that to blow it out and get it straighter, and then I'll be ready to rebraid it. But this is how my hair is looking. Stay tuned for my hair update video, okay, where I'm going to tell you about my hair the last year, some things that I did and all that. So stay tuned for that video. So I'm going to go wash, condition, blow dry, and rebraid it down.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.